Now we're gonna cross the from south side of Mombasa. We're gonna go to the other side. That's the north side. And the way you cross here, there's a ferry which is over there. They have several of them. They have that one, the one we're in right now. Just boarded, and they have one over here. It's just getting here. So they ferry people and also they ferry vehicles. Right now you can see there are vehicles over there just waiting to get in here. We waited for about 45 minutes to cross. It's called Likoni Ferry. So we're gonna be crossing, we're gonna go to the other side. That's Mombasa Island over there. So that's what we're gonna do. It's beautiful out here. So you can see there's one ferry over there. And there's this one where we are standing. I'm standing now. So that's me. The sun is right there, so you can't see my face. There you go. Behind me, over there, you can see people. They're just sitting. They have seats. You can sit if you want, or you can just stand. All right. I'm not sure how long it takes to cross from this side to the other side over there. Probably 10-15 minutes.